What's up everyone, my name's Garrett. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller, and in this video I'm going to bring you guys inside of my computer as I do some online arbitrage sourcing, looking for products that we can find to flip on Amazon for a profit. Now I want to give you guys kind of like a live look into my mind as I'm going through this website, looking at different products, analyzing them, just so you guys can get a better idea of my thought process behind looking for profitable products. If you don't know what online arbitrage is, that's pretty much where we're going to online retailers like Walmart.com, Nike.com, and we're looking for items that are on sale or there's a price difference between one website compared to Amazon. We are then purchasing those products, sending them into Amazon and selling them for a profit. So without further ado, don't want to waste any more of your time. Let's hop on into my computer and get started. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna source Tillys.com. I source Tillys.com quite often. They tend to have a lot of decent like clothing, footwear. I've bought in backpacks off of here before, and different accessories. Not a ton of items, but there's usually way less competition because I don't think a lot of people that do online arbitrage source Tillys.com too often. So let's head over to the sales section and go. Let's just start with the men's shoes and see what we can find here. All right, so I'm gonna open up, I'm just gonna start eyeballing stuff. I've been doing this for a while, so I can kind of look at models and tell what might be profitable. So we're gonna open up some of these different shoe models. Let's stay away from Vans. They do a lot of IP complaints. Any brands associated with like Vans, JanSport, you can definitely count on possibly getting at least a letter from them. So I try to stay away. What else do we have here? We have some Reebok classic leathers. Those might be profitable, those might be profitable. These Converse might be profitable, so we'll open up those. Asics Gel Sonomas, any type of like top name brand I'm gonna be searching. This is a popular New Balance model we can check out. Possibly these Nike shoes, more results. What else can we find here? We have some more Asics. I'm looking for these deeply discounted items, Nike SBs. What else do we have? What else do we have? These Nijas. Okay, that should be enough for us to get started in our search. So we're gonna start off, we're using SellerAmp. If you guys don't have SellerAmp, definitely check down in the link in description. It's like a $17 per month Chrome extension. There's also an app for your phone if you're outsourcing in store, but it's a great tool too when you're sourcing these websites that we can compare products. So these are the New Balance 480 shoes. We're gonna look and see if we can find this model. Not quite sure it will be on here. 480 ranks too high. Okay, so we're gonna pass on this. I'm all about speed too when I'm searching. I definitely could probably find better products if I took more time analyzing each one, but I like getting through the products as fast as possible, especially for this video. So we have the Reebok classic leather shoes. That does not look like or that kind of does look like it. We'll check on Amazon, see if that colorway is available. This one's gonna be hard to find since they don't have the actual picture list. Where's that maroon color? Is that it right there? Nope, it's a little bit different. This side, it's gonna be gray. Let's see if we can find this here. I'm not quite sure we'll be able to find it just looking through all these models, so we're gonna skip it. We'll go into this model. This doesn't look like a very popular model in my opinion. I could be wrong. It's right here. 29 reviews, 260,000 rank. We want better rank stuff than that. Let's check the Converse Chuck 70 low top shoes. This looks like it could possibly be it right here. That looks like women's though. But if we look at the sizing, it's men's 4.5, women's 6. And the color is brown. So we're gonna look for the brown ones. Can we find brown? Also guys, when you're looking at these listings with a ton of different variations, make sure you're doing your due diligence and checking to make sure. This looks like it right here, honestly. Cargo's color, that looks like it, but I'm not quite sure. This looks like a little bit of a darker brown. Maybe we can find the darker brown on here. We're not seeing it here. If this was it, it wouldn't be bad because the ranking's good, but I don't really like that size anyway, so we're gonna skip over it. Let's see what the sizes they have here. They have a lot of sizes in this. Let's see if we can find it. This is going to be a light yellow color. Not the best color to be honest, but definitely worth checking out. Sometimes those are the more profitable items. Lemony yellow, not seeing it on here. Let's see. Let's skip past this one. Let's try to find an easier one to find here on Amazon. As you can see, it's a bit of a tedious process, but we can already see right here, this shoe is going to be way too high in rank, so we're going to skip on it. Let's check this one. I bet it's the same thing. Super high rank. We're going to skip through. I bet you this is going to be profitable right here. Let's see what sizes they have. Do they even have any sizes available? Not sure. Not loading, but $84.99 retail, $31.98 clearance price. This is the New Balance 574. Let's look at this listing right here. We're gonna look for that colorway, black and white right here. It looks like we missed, looks like they just sold out, but this would have been probably a good find if we would have made it in time. Let's just check out some of the sizes. Let's say we were going for a size 9. $84.95 is the low price. Low FBA price is $79.14. So if we pick this up for 32 bucks, let's say we paid 35 with tax, unless you're sending to a tax-free state, we're looking at about a $79.99, about a $23 profit, a 67% ROI. So obviously this shoe looks like it's sold out because it's not allowing me to pick a size, but if this was in stock here, oh, we have size 10. Okay, they have a size 10 available. Let's check size 10. And we can see 100 plus bought in the last month. Low price, FBA seller is 89. Let's just go with that low merchant fulfilled price. And they have size 11 too. Size 11. I might order some of these actually. Try to buy them all out before this video goes live. Size 11 as well. Low price $83.35 and our price on here is $31.98. So as you guys can see, we're making 27 bucks a pair on these New Balances. So that's a great find right there. Already found an item. Got to be ungated in New Balance, but it's fairly easy to get ungated in New Balance as well. What do we have here? The Nike SB East Hode. I don't even want to try and pronounce that, so bear with me here. 393K, we're gonna pass on that. I can already see the Nijas are probably gonna be profitable if we can find them. So we have right here, I'm really just looking for the super fast selling items, especially for this video, just because I don't want to do too much research. Nope. And let's look at these Nijas. These are the Olympic editions. I sold a lot of these on eBay a while back. Let's see if they have this colorway available. So this looks like it's on a listing with a bunch of just random free runs. So we're gonna skip that. Maybe it's on here. Looks like it's right here. Found it, not the best rank. Let's see what sizes they have available. Let's do like a men's 13. Let's see what the price is on that. So the only one that's for sale on Amazon is a size 9. So that's not gonna be good. So we're gonna skip past that and go back to our search. Let's see if we can find some more items here. These are probably gonna be profitable. I've sold these in a bunch of different colors, the white and blue, but I purchased them from the Adidas outlet. So they do sell pretty well, not crazy, but they sell well. Well enough, and especially in just like a neutral colorway like this, black and white, that's gonna sell well on Amazon. So let's check this right here. That looks like it's it. Okay, what sizes are available? Size 9 is available on Tilly's.com. Let's see what it is going for here on Amazon. So our lowest Amazon's on the listing at 65. So if we were to charge 65, even undercut them at 62.99, we're not going to be profitable. So we're going to keep it moving. But definitely look out. If you can source that model cheap enough, it definitely does sell. I've sold it many times before. What else can we find here? Ooh, these might be good. So Adidas NMDs usually sell pretty decently well, depending on the color. I've sold a lot of them in the past. So let's see if we can find these colorways. The R1, this looks like it's going to be it right here. 241,000 rank. I swear there's a listing with a better ranking than this. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can find these colorways on this listing. I don't even want to go through it. Let's see if we can find, let's go to the variations and see. If you don't have Keep It yet, highly recommend it. It's a great tool to help you with your product sourcing. But it doesn't want to load for me for some reason. Anyhow, you could definitely check out these NMDs. They sell well, and at 60 bucks, they're probably profitable. Most of them sell for over 100. Let's see if we can scroll along and find these colorways. Looking for blue or red. So you can see a lot of them are selling for over 100. But there's a lot of variation, so you definitely want to do your research on that just to make sure you are purchasing a variation that is selling. But these are good colorways, so I wouldn't see a problem with them selling. They're pretty neutral colors, and especially it's kind of got that Mexico color addition on it, which those tend to do well on different platforms as well. But we're not going to waste too much time for the sake of this video. But that's not a bad price for NMDs, $59.95. What else can we find? I've sold these in the past if we can get them cheap enough. Different New Balances. Hey Dude. These are gonna be good. These, if they have these in the red, those are good. But let's check out these other two products. So the IPO sandal, what sizes do they have available? Just size 13. Let's see if the right variation is on here. No, I know these are on Amazon, so. But for some reason, we might not be able to find them in time. This might be it right here. Why is the ranking so high? Okay, here we go. All right, so we got the white one in a size 13. Low FBA price is $34.99. It's gonna depend if you wanna take the risk on selling it, especially with a merchant fulfilled being at $25.94. They still probably will sell. It's a decent rank, but it's a little bit risky. But let's say we did pick these up for 14 bucks. These are with my prep center fees included as well. So we're looking at an $8.55 profit. Let's check Keepa. It's been at $34.99, $39.99. Let's check the offers, see if any of these Prime guys have moved any. So it looks like 10 have sold. So this guy sold 9 at $34.99. So he is selling some. So it's definitely a bit of a risky play on those, but that's a potential product that we could look into purchasing 5, 10 of, seeing how it goes. I thought no, these aren't the exact ones. So let's check out some other products. Let's see if they have any backpacks going on. Backpacks and bags. So we have this Adidas mini backpack. It looks like they don't have a lot of stuff when it comes to accessories. Let's check out men's accessories. This might be a decent hat to buy. Anything Adidas, sometimes these colorways, and for $10.98, that's a pretty good price. Hurley does sell too, just not that well. So let's check out these 2 or 3 products right here. $14.98. We can see it's right here. we can already see it's not going to be profitable. $25.97. I can tell you at the clearance outlet, I've purchased this exact backpack for like $6 or $8, clearanced out. This Adidas hat, let's see if they have the right colorway. Looks to be it right here, this cream colorway. Now obviously this isn't the best selling. See, Tilly's is selling it themselves, which is kind of funny. Amazon's on it for $20.50. Let's go ahead and see if this other hat's on here as well. I think that was the same exact type of hat, $15.38, so that's not gonna be good. Let's go ahead and check out the women's shoes, okay? And then we'll kind of wrap it up from there. If we can find some like name brand shoes, I'm not sure what they'd have here on Tilly's. These might be good. Pretty sure this is a fairly popular Reebok model, the classic nylons. What do we have here? Is this it right here? I can't really tell. Let's click on it. Nope. Okay, here we go. What sizes do they have available? 6, 6.5, 7. Usually with women's, like 6s will still sell, but I only buy size 6 if it's a very good popular model. Anything 7, 8, 8.5, 9s typically do pretty well when it comes to women's sizing. But if the rank is good enough, it sells well across all platforms, across every size and stuff like that. So I think this is gonna be more of what we're looking at right here, black and white. Let's look at size 7. So $64.95, so we'd probably have to charge $62.95 since Amazon's selling on it. Let's see what first off, what's the lowest price Amazon has ever charged for this? They seem to be pretty consistent at $64.95, so that makes me feel safe enough. We can come on here for $62.95 and get some buy box share. We're gonna be paying 30 bucks on these. So as you can see, we just found another profitable item, $15.55. This is with my prep center fees as well. So if you're in a tax-free state prepping it yourself, you could make a little bit more profit, but not a bad find. I definitely order this product. It definitely is a decent find, nothing crazy. 34,000 ranked. I guarantee you this variation is probably the top variation, black and white, but I'll show you guys how to check that as well. But we just found a few good products that are worth ordering, at least a few of each size in. You know, we could have ordered, you know, probably 20, 30 pairs of shoes right now just off these two models that we found that were profitable. Let's say we bought 20 pairs and made 15 bucks each, 300 bucks profit. So as you can see, this black and white model, like I predicted, top variation, size 8.5. Let's see what that one's going for. And do they have it here on Tilly's? They do have it in stock. And just, if you guys are gonna source Tilly's, keep your purchases count, like don't try to order 10 at a time, like order like 3 or 4 pairs per order, or else your orders will get canceled. So $64.95, still gonna be profitable. So not a bad find right there. But guys, that is pretty much my in-depth look of how I do online arbitrage. The same process applies across different websites. So if you're new to online arbitrage, download SellerAmp, get Keepa, and you'll be off to the races. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. If you're new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. Also, if you wanna learn a more in-depth kind of how I run my Amazon business, check out the Arbitrage University. It's my training course, linked down in the description. I also hold a free training every single Sunday, so I'll link that down below as well. But that's gonna wrap it up, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.